Well, good morning. Good morning. You ready to have a nice, entertaining day? Let's go. Come on, let's go. Ready? Let's go.
With curtains, I have a daughter, I'm buying a baby Birkin. Fuck the good and got her legs hurting. Found a wave and got them M's early. Southside nigga.
Okay, so y'all are seeing me waking up. I look a hot mess. But today will be a day full of adventures with Mr. Esco. Okay, so what are we doing today, Esco? Huh? What do you want to do? You want to go to the doggy park? You do? Somebody wants to go to the doggy park. Who wants to go to the doggy park? You want to go to the doggy park? Okay, well, someone is excited to go to the doggy park. We will be going later. Let's go. Well, I guess he got mad because I said later, but we will be going to the dog park today. Okay, so this is what he does every freaking morning. I get so excited. And yes, he does sleep with me. Just FYI. But he's excited because we will be going to the doggy park today. So first, I'll just brush his teeth and we'll get our day started. So if you want to follow us along our day, please keep on watching. Okay, everyone, I look a hot mess, but whatever. We just got back from, well, we're in the car, from getting our breakfast. And there goes Esco and our breakfast. So we'll keep y'all updated on what we're doing and whatnot. But we'll be going home and eating our breakfast, and then we'll see when we will go to the dog park and what else we'll be doing. So stay tuned. Okay, and so here you can see how Esco's excited. We are on our way to the lake, river, or whatever you want to call it. You might even know. I don't know. Oh, sí. Esco, come here. Esco, come here. Es que si los mojas, no, está bien la gama. Good baby. Ya se mojaron. Ay, está calientito. Sí, ya sé. Tómale una foto mía ya que estás ahí. Esco. Good boy. How are we walking? Come here, baby. Esco, no, come here. Esco, come here. Esco, come here. Esco. Esco, come here. Okay, so I actually forgot to record at the actual dog park. So here are some images of Esco with other puppies just playing around. So we are going to Starbucks. Let's go. You ready for Starbucks? Yeah? Let's go. You ready for Starbucks? Okay. Long as mine. No? Good boy.